Hi, this is Kimberly, and I want to welcome you back to Bookkeeping Journey, where I share my journey to becoming a bookkeeper. And even when I do become a bookkeeper full-time and have clients and all that, I will still share with you every single thing that's going on so that you can have a guideline to follow while you build your own bookkeeping business or while you build your own business. So before we go on, I want to welcome everybody that's new, and I want you to make sure that you press that notification bell and you subscribe to the channel as well. And while you're watching, you can go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, but only if you like it. So today I have massive news. I literally about 15 minutes ago actually ordered my business cards. First time ever in my life I've ever had business cards with my name on it, and I am super excited about this, because then I have those business cards to actually, the next step is to obviously go out and give them to businesses and stuff to advertise myself, because I'm not going to do all the Facebook marketing and all that paid advertisement. I'm actually going to get off my butt, drive around my country, and hand out my business cards. I ordered 250 business cards, and I paid $16 US for them. My shipping was free, and they're supposed to get shipped out on the 17th of this month. So when I actually get them, I will let you know the quality and everything. The company that I use, I don't have an affiliate link for it, but I will still leave the link down below for them. It's Vistaprint. I use them to order the business cards. At first, I was procrastinating, which is something that we all do as beginners when you're starting anything, especially business or anything new in our lives. We always procrastinate. Oh, I can't do it because I don't have that. And oh, I can't do it because I don't have this. And that is my problem that I was suffering from for weeks now. So last night, what happened with this Vistaprint is, because I'm doing BBL, and I'm in the part of the course where I had to order my stuff. I had to order cards. And I said, you know what, I'm just going to go do it, because that's one thing that we learn in the course, is to make sure that we take all the action steps, because this is not a get-rich-quick business, and you have to put in the work to be able to get the results. So I'm no guru coming on here sharing, oh, I know all these things. I'm sharing with you, as you know, or if you're new here, I'm sharing my experience in building my business and every single thing that I am doing to get there, to get my first client, to get my 10th client, to get my 20th client. Then I'm finished. By then 20, I think I should be comfortable. And to be ready to help these clients to make their business a lot better and improve it, and make sure that I'm giving them full 100%, 110% value to ensure that they love me as their bookkeeper, and I love them as well, because you have to be able to communicate properly with people and have good energy around you for good things to flow. Anyway, so I'm going to tell you a little experience I had with Vistaprint last night. Last night, I went to order the business cards, and I had my name, because I just did my name. I don't have a logo. I don't have a registered, my business isn't registered. I don't have a logo. It's just me. I have Kimberly, my last name, and I have my profession underneath it. Well, I'm offering bookkeeper, and then I have my email address and my phone numbers, and that's it. That's all I have on my cards. And I don't have a business phone number, so I actually put my phone number on my cards, but I'm giving out my cards to businesses. So I'm actually literally going to give my cards out to businesses, and I actually have a US number and my local number on it as well. My US number is through Skype, so I use Skype right now. I paid for that. I pay for that every month, and it's been brilliant. I don't have really any issues with Skype. It works for me right now, but obviously as my business grows, then I will probably change to VoIP telephone number and service. So with Vistaprint now. So with Vistaprint, last night went to change my stuff. I was like, I couldn't figure out how to change it because they said edit, and as you go on it, you will see. So then this morning I said, you know what, because it's late, I'm going to go into my bed, I'm going to sleep on it, and then I'm going to get it tomorrow morning. I'm going to try to contact them. I contacted them today. I literally pressed, when I was talking to the agent, they told me, well, as soon as I cancel it, the note said that you will be refunded. So I messaged now on the live chat, and I asked them, well, where do I see my credit? Because I just canceled and I don't see the credit. So then the agent went and checked, and I got credited back my $16. I went, and then the thing is that they didn't say that. They said that you'll be credited on Vistaprint, but the agent did ask me if I could either have the credit on Vistaprint, or I can get it credit back to my PayPal account that I paid with. And I thought that was brilliant, so high five Vistaprint for that brilliant customer service. So I completely recommend them. And yeah, so then I redid the logo, not the logo because I don't have a logo. I redid the cards. I did a very simple card. You don't have to do anything fancy. You just have to have your name on it. Don't do anything fancy. We're just trying to get ourselves out there. So right, so I did over them. I ordered $250. I ordered 250 cards for $16 US. I thought that was really brilliant, and I'll be waiting for my order to arrive. When my order arrives, I will let you know. I will give you a review of the physical package and how it is. Anyhow, that's it for me today, and I really hope that you stop procrastinating and you go and order those cards to at least get your name out there about what service you're offering, and you be able to start your business as soon as possible. Bye.